Want to turn your color footage into cinematic black and white with full control over every tone? Let me show you a quick and powerful way to do it in DaVinci Resolve. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to convert color footage into black and white in DaVinci Resolve step by step. Let's get started. As you can see here in my timeline, I've imported a clip for this example. First, select your clip and switch to the color page. Now, go to the node panel, select your node, and press Option or Alt+S to add a new serial node. With the new node selected, open the RGB Mixer. And simply check the monochrome box. This instantly converts your footage into black and white. Go back to the first node, right-click on it. Then go to the composite mode. Scroll down to luminosity. After that, come back to the RGB mixer and turn on all three auto normalize options. Now you can adjust the red, green, and blue channels individually to fine-tune the contrast and create your own unique black and white look. And here's the result. This is before. And this is after. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips. Happy editing!